Hey there. In this video, we're going to go over what is the LinkedIn Insight tag. Essentially, it's just a little tracking code, a little snippet of code that you add to all your pages. And this will allow you to create retargeting audiences based off of the users that visited your page. So you can then show a LinkedIn ad to them. You can set up conversion tracking. Conversion tracking allows you to track important actions taken on your website. So say if someone submits a form, buys something, you can track that and understand, which campaigns are adding value. And then you can also look at website demographics. This allows you to see insights of who's visiting your site. So you can see things like company name, job functions, seniority levels. The more data, the more users you have visiting your website, the more data you'll have on that. But it's a really cool function as well. So I have a few examples that I'll just quickly go over here. So an example of a retargeting audience, this would be creating a retargeting audience for anyone who's visited your website in the last 90 days. And then you add your URL. Again, the LinkedIn Insight tag enables that. Here's an example of a conversion. You can set up conversions in many ways. This is a pretty simple page load conversion. So say someone submits a form on your page and they land on a thank you page, it fires a conversion. But again, you can set up event-specific conversions if you have something more complicated. In Campaign Manager, there is a Website Actions tab as well. And this is essentially an easier way to create conversions and audiences. The Insight tag collects data on like what buttons are on your website, what pages are on your website, and then you can click here and you can create a conversion or create an audience based off of that. So it's a more beginner-friendly way to set up conversion tracking and remarketing audiences. And next, this is an example of the website demographics. Again, this is just for a small retargeting audience, but we can see that the people that visited this particular site, they have a job function in operations, business development, sales. You can also see the seniority level of those visitors. That can help you understand, the demographics of people that are coming to your website and then also inform your marketing strategy. And lastly here is how do you install it? You can manually install it, or you can use a tag manager like Google Tag Manager. In most instances, it takes less than 10 minutes to get it added and get it validated. It's pretty straightforward. And I have some videos on that if you want to take a look. But yeah, that's it. That's a little information about the LinkedIn Insight tag. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. Have a great day.